Video we will learn how to build a servlet program, build, run and deploy a servlet program in NetBeans IDE. Go for file menu, new project. Since we are dealing with web applications, select Java web application, press next. Next one is it's asking the name and location. So the servlet program is trying to tell morning wishes to the visitor. So the name of the project is wishes. Let the project location and project folder be as it is. I don't want to change. So press the next. And this page tells about the server settings. Let the Glassfish server as it is. So I'm moving to the next. Since I don't have any framework in this project, I'm skipping the next step and simply pressing the finish. Now the project is going to be created under the name wishes. So the associated folders are web pages, source packages, libraries, configuration files. So the first thing I have to build is index.html. So in that I'm creating a link href. This has to be supplied to a program, that is servlet program Meet, which is available under, this is under the project wishes. So I am including the name wishes. Also closing the anchor tag. So you have to give the hard text over here. So I am giving click me to view the wishes. So this is the HTML program. Using this HTML program, we will invoke the servlet. Next, I have to write the servlet. So keep in mind the servlets are inserted in source packages. So select that source packages, right click. So you will be getting a new, under that you select the servlet. So already I have given the name as a meet in the anchor tag. So same meet should be provided here. Name of the servlet program is meet. And this tells about the file type, name and location in this. Next one is, you should register the servlet with the application by giving the servlet an internal name, servlet name. Then specify patterns that identify the URLs that invoke the servlet. Separate multiple patterns with the commas. So here please check this box so that automatically web.xml will be created. If you uncheck it, we have to create that web.xml program. So since it is an IDE, automatically it builds the web.xml on behalf of us. So I am checking this. Let the class name be meet, servlet name be meet, URL patterns be /meet. Nothing we are going to change over there. Just press finish. Servlet is created. This shows the hierarchy structure of the servlet. What are the methods available, under which method, what are the services available, under each service what are the servlets available, Under the servlets, what are the methods available? This is the hierarchy structure. This is showing in the navigator window. Now we are moving to the method called doGet. doGet. So press this plus button. You can see doGet method is sitting over here. They have written by default in the code editor window. Program is built by the IDE environment itself. So it's enough for us to customize our program lines here. So I don't want the control to go to the process request. So I'm deleting here. I'm giving the task what the servlet has to do. So I'm deleting instead of going for process request. So I want this 2 lines. I'm not going to do these work. So I don't want this. So I'm deleting. Instead of that, I want this 2 lines. Copying this, and bringing to the doGet method. So inside this, I have to tell what the servlet has to do for me. In HTML program, I am passing a link to this servlet, right? On clicking this, it comes over here. Just I have to tell the wishes. Okay, so I'm using heading tag h1 and caps lock. Good morning, users. So this is the output statement we are using in Java, the same one. Out is the object which is used for printing the output. So out.println using the tag h1, I want to print good morning users. Next I want to close that. So open the out.close method. This is used to close that opened object. Okay, now I have to compile, that is run this project. So what is the first? Either you can keep the cursor here and press this run button, or else you can start from the index, press shift plus F6, the program gets starting executed. It's still running, it's deploying. It's telling click me to view the wishes. This is HTML program. On clicking this only, the servlet will be invoked. So this is localhost 8080. So I'm clicking here. I'm getting an error. Wishes dot meet. So this is the output for the program. Good morning users. So instead of, what's the error is, I have missed the slash here, so that is why I got the error. So again I am starting to run. Build successful. Click me to view the wishes. Good morning users is coming over here. This is how you have to execute a build, run and deploy a servlet in NetBeans IDE. Thank you for watching this video.